Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make cute woolen flower using fork and two colors of wool. First, wrap around the first color of wool on the fork for 30 times, then you tie to secure. Now from the center of the fork, attach the second color of wool and wrap around 5 times. Then sew and secure one side of the wool on the fork. After that, pull the design out from the fork. From the other side of the design that is not secured, wrap wool around it 6 times to make a base. Sew the base to make a design. Please watch closely to see how I'm sewing it. Then, make the design 6 pieces and join them together. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center. That's all for this woolen flower. Thank you all for watching.